go. Hi, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. My name is Jack and I'm a property investor, and I wanted to show you around a deal that I've got going through right now at this very minute. Now before I show you around the house and give you a bit more detail, I wanted to just give you a little bit of the backstory around this property deal. So I was ready to complete on this property just before lockdown. We got right to the finishing line and unfortunately we went into lockdown, and so things just weren't moving, things weren't happening, and I wasn't able to buy the house. Now we waited until lockdown regulations started to ease up a little bit, so we were able to actually complete on the house, and for a number of different reasons the seller actually got a little bit miffed and started getting really stressed and annoyed and needed to complete very, very soon. And it got to the point where he was like, we need to complete tomorrow or else I'm pulling out of the deal. Now he might have been bluffing, but I didn't want to run the risk. So I said to my solicitor, look, I know this is a big ask, but I need you to get the money from the lender and we need to complete tomorrow. Obviously he said that that was slightly unlikely, but he'll try and pull some strings. And then the next day, I got a call from my solicitor. It's the solicitors. This could be very good news. And it was very good news. We were able to get the money from the lender, we were able to sort things out with my solicitor and the seller's solicitors, and we were able to complete on the property that day, which was awesome. So we completed and we were ready to go and get the keys. Okay, so we are on our way to go and get the keys for this house.
You don't want me to do that?
No, you can do that if you want to do that. Did you want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. We're on our way to go get the keys for this car.
This car.
Oh yeah, did I say car? Forget it. Okay, so we are on our way to go and get the keys from the agent for this house.
Yeah, we are.
That we've just completed on today. So what we're going to do is we are going to go and pick up the keys, and then we are going to, just thought we'd show you around a little bit.
Why are you filming me eating?
Of course we've stopped for a snack.
Not forgetting the most important one.
Oh yeah. Hey! Well, that was an anticlimax. We've turns out that the agent didn't have the keys anyway, so we need to. Do you want to go and order? No, it's fine. I'll have an iced. What are you having?
Yeah, both medium sizes.
Yes, please.
Any cream?
Just gonna go for a small.
I'm gonna look so posh. Who do I think I am?
Anyway, what I was saying was a bit of an anticlimax. The agents don't even have the keys. So we are waiting for the seller to drop the keys off, and then we'll go and see the house. So probably sometime this evening or tomorrow.
Thank you. Sorry? No, you're all right, Ta.
Yeah, we're just having a Starbucks and a chocolate
Indoor?
to celebrate getting the keys.
Even though we've not.
Alright guys, so we're here at the house. As you can see, it is just behind me, and the seller has kindly left us his skip, which is really nice. But let's go in and take a look. I'll show you around the property. Right, so there's nothing like the smell of a new home. Oh, what would you put that smell down to, Sam?
It just smells like wet dog, really, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely. Wet dog. So we'll come in here, straight into the right. You can see we've got this lovely lounge space. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. When we first visited, there was a bunch of stuff. The guy was still living here, and he had stuff piled high. So I didn't actually realise how big this room was, but it actually is pretty big. So pretty happy with that. I think what we'll just do is throughout the house we'll paint it. We've got some pretty thick wallpaper here. So I think what we'll do is we'll just paint over the top of that. And just make it all white, which would be really nice. Floor, I think we are undecided on the floor at the minute. I think not too sure on the style. I think we could clean it up, but I don't know. Do people like carpets in the lounges? Or I don't know. We'll decide on that later. We're not too sure. I think it could be okay as it is, but we may put carpet in. And then obviously we'll just rip this guy out and put an electric fire in or something like that, so be nice and tidy. If we come on through, and then we've got obviously our beautiful kitchen, which is again a lot bigger than when we first came in. He had stuff piled high, he had his big fridge in and all that kind of stuff, so it felt quite cramped. But when we're in here now, it's a decent size, isn't it, Sam? It feels,
Yeah, it's a really nice size.
yeah, feels like a good size. And then we've got our beautiful garden. In fact, let's go out the door. Let's show you the garden out here. So obviously we've got our beautiful field of overgrown stuff. We'll just be ripping all this down probably in a few weeks' time, maybe a couple of weeks' time when the work's almost completed. Again, just things like this, just like simply just cleaning. A lot of this is going to just be simply cleaning things up and making it look a lot nicer than currently it already is. It's quite a cosmetic job, so it should be fairly easy. It's just paint, carpets, that kind of thing. So this is just a little downstairs toilet. We'll probably again just replace that. It should be super easy. And then if we just come on through, we'll take you upstairs. Again, this wallpaper is all fine. I think we'll just be painting over this. I mean, we'll paint over this definitely. And a lot of this is quite dirty actually, but I think that's just from kids rubbing their hands on it. If we just paint over it, it should be dead easy to make look really nice actually. We'll be ripping up the carpets because the carpets stink of wet dog. So we'll be ripping them up, and we'll probably replace them with something a similar colour, similar vibe, but just new and fresh, so that whoever buys it gets a nice fresh feel in the house. This is the little box room, which is just a Ben 10, which is great. We'll probably keep that. I think it's just a nice feature chandelier that we can really add value to the house. But yeah, this is just a standard box room. Floor seems okay. Again, it's just going to be a case of cleaning it up, making it just a bit tidier, painting the walls all white. But yeah, not much to be done in this one. And then this is the master bedroom. So again, really nice, good size room. Shouldn't be too difficult to make look nice. Again, just ripping out the carpets, painting the walls. I think on here, we were tempted to just rip all this off, but I think what we'll just do is just sand it down and just paint it so that it looks nice and fresh. But it's all in good condition. And this is our beautiful bathroom. Again, it's fine. It's just going to be a rip out job. We'll take the bath, sink, toilet out, rip the tiles down, completely paint all of this, and just give it a brand new bathroom. So looking forward to what that'll look like, and obviously you'll be able to see that in the next video that we do on this house. Here is Billy's room. In case you weren't aware, this is Billy's actual room. It's yeah, again, it's the second largest room. It's quite simple, good condition still. Carpets will just be ripped up, paint the whole wall. But that's kind of it really. There's not really much to it. We'll be replacing all of these doors. Oh, whoa. The little door stop there that we'll probably get rid of. But yeah, that's kind of it, guys. If you have any questions about it, drop them in the comments. But what I'll be doing is I will be filming the progress of this, probably, maybe, it's going to be quite a quick job really. We'll turn this around in probably 2 weeks or so. So what we'll do is I'll film, obviously we're filming this one now, and then I'll film the end result as well and give you the final numbers. But actually, let's just go downstairs and we'll talk about the figures that we've got on this house secured already and what we think we're going to get for it. Okay, so we bought this house for 130 grand all in. So that's including broker fees, solicitor fees, all those kinds of things. So 130 grand all in. We factored in, I had Nick come round, who's my mentor, who's going to be coaching me through the whole refurb project. He's costed it up with his guys. They're going to be coming in and doing the work. And we think we'll probably get around everything done for about 12 grand at an absolute push. So we'll be 142 grand in. And pre-COVID, houses like this, the GDV was around 180 grand. So it's a pretty good deal. We've got about 35 grand, 36 grand to play with. So even if we sold it for a little bit less, we've still got quite a few people making sales at the moment. So we should, if we get this done quick enough, be able to get around the 175, 180 mark for it. So we'll get a nice healthy 30 to 35 grand on this. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for taking the time to just have a little look around my lovely new house. If you have any questions, just chuck them in the comments and I'll be answering any questions that you've got. Also drop a like and make sure that you subscribe so that you stay tuned for the next video, which will be this nicely done up. Hopefully we can be done in 2 weeks, so that'll be back up hopefully in 2 to 3 weeks time. So see you guys later and thanks for watching.
Brushstrokes, cutthroat from the low where no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that. When me looking at the bill stack off the bubbly buddy, I've been stressed out. Let the smoke scream from my chest out. Laced up, I really hate love from a stranger. Shit is fake stuff, only need it from you. Yeah. Crash land in the palm of my hand. Bad little flex wanna play by the coast. Carry the torch, I'm way up, it's litty wherever we flow. I came from the cold, used to rest on the floor and stitch up my